Howzit TOB Family, welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. You know how we do it on this channel. Before we go any further, I want to use this time to say thank you to everyone who subscribed to this channel. I want to say thank you for the likes, thank you for the shares, and thank you for the comments you've left so far. Your efforts are making this video available to a whole lot of people, so thank you for sharing, thank you for liking. I also want to use this same opportunity to say thank you to the people that joined us over the weekend on this family. You're very welcome. I want you to understand that in this family you have a voice. If there's something you'd like to see, send it to an email to me. The email will be in the description. Send it to me by email. If it's something I can do, I'll get it done. Now, it might not be immediately because we have other videos lined up, but I promise you we'll get to it. Okay, cool. Now, let's take this time to go see the answers to last week's trivia. Now stick with me till the end of this video for next week's trivia. Today's item is from the same production line as a device I've tested before on this channel. Now I wanted to see if there's some consistency with the performance of this device, so I got another device from the same production line. Let's go see what device we're talking about. Okay, when you open the box, this is what you get. This is the charge case, and these are the earbuds. Let us start with the charge case. Here you can see the QCY logo. I'm not sure if you can see that. Underneath is the charge port, USB Type-C, so that's a good one, means it'll charge faster. Behind here is a button to check the power that's left in your charge case. Now let's open this up and see what's in it. Now these are the earbuds. Before we go any further, let us do a shake test, see how this works. Now the magnet is really strong in there, not coming out. That's good. At least you know your earbuds are safe. If for some reason you're moving around a lot and this is open, I don't know how that could happen, but just in case it happens, you want to know that your earbuds are safe in there. Okay, let's take them out, left and the right. Now let's look at this. It's a very beautiful design. It's got a mic here. Wow, that's impressive. Okay, it's got a mic here, and this is the touch sensor for your taps and whatnot. Underneath are the charge plates. Now let's put this on and see how well it fits. Okay, now this is very comfortable. Kind of feels like the Apple AirPods when you're putting them on, but not exactly. There's a nice fit with the head of the earbud, and the tail here has kind of a grip to it just in between. Let's pair this up with our phones because we're about to test this. Let's see here. There, it's picked it up already, and we have a pairing. 3 seconds. Wow, that's amazing. That's very fast. You scan the QR code on the box, it will take you to the app on your phone. to the App Store on your phone, where you can download this app. Doesn't matter if you're using the iOS, Apple, or Android. I've taken the liberty to download the app and set it up. It's very easy. I have reviewed another QCY product. I'll leave the link in the description. You can click the link and you will see how I set it up. This is the app. Now on the app, it gives you indicators on how much power is left on each earbud. Now you can use each earbud independently. Now if you to show you also from this app, you can tell how much battery power is left in your charge case. But to do that, you need to put one of the earbuds back in the charge case, and then you get the charge case indicator here. Now what this tells us here is that it's got 100% on the charge case, we've got 100% on the right, and we've got 100% on the left. But right now we've already paired with this, and this is good. Now another advantage of using the app is you could actually modify the controls to what you can remember. You might want to change the controls to whatever suits you as best you want to do it. Another advantage of using the app, also you can change the equalizer. So that is the advantages of using the app. And the app is so user-friendly. It is easy. You don't have to roam around and check this and check that. Everything is straightforward. Now let us test the sound on these. Let's see how it sounds. Wow, that is that crisp, beautiful sound again. Wow. Whew. This is a beautiful brand. Now I know it's not very popular because it's Xiaomi and people are very skeptical about Chinese products, but I've found that some of these products, if we just take away whatever biases we have, some of these products are amazing. For instance, the sound from this is beautiful. It is crisp. The bass is there. You can hear the bass. The low notes are not muffled. You can hear them. You can hear everything. It is so crisp. It is balanced properly. And if you don't like what it sounds like with the equalizer, you can just go to the apps, set the equalizer, and set it to be just the way you want it to sound like. This is a beautiful earbud. It sounds great. I am very impressed by this product. I cannot tell you enough of it. Now let us wow. That is very good. Let us test the controls if we set them. Now first of all, we know if we tap once on both sides, it will either end or drop a call. But since we're not making a call, let us go to the next one. If you double tap, you pause, double tap again, it plays. So you can do the same thing on both sides, either the left or the right. It will both pause and play when you double tap. So if you feel like you want to add one more control, you can just go in there and decide which of this, on the similar controls, which of them you might want to swap into something else. That depends on you, the user. Now now while this is playing, if you triple tap, it will increase the volume. But if you triple tap on the left, it will decrease the volume. You long press for 2 seconds and you let go, and it goes to the next song. You do it again, long press for 2 seconds and let go, it goes to the next song. Now if you want to go to the previous one, you long press for 2 seconds and you let go, it goes to the previous sound. So I say this again, somebody that's listening to this video, listen to what I'm saying right now, go and just take a chance and buy this product. Buy it, then come on the comment section and tell me exactly how you feel about this product. It is an amazing product, I tell you. Amazing. Wow, impressive. Well, there you have it. And here is this week's trivia. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to like the videos, share them on your social media platforms, subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet, and until next time, take care.